Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake using a standard cake mix. First, carefully read the instructions on your cake mix box. This will tell you exactly what additional ingredients you need, such as eggs, oil, and water. Make sure these liquid ingredients are at room temperature. It helps create a smoother batter and a better cake texture. Gathering everything beforehand makes the process much easier. Now it's time to mix your batter. Pour the cake mix into a large bowl, then add your eggs, oil, and water as directed. Using an electric mixer, beat the ingredients on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. Stop once the batter is smooth and well combined. Before baking, prepare your pan. Grease the bottom and sides with butter or cooking spray, then lightly flour it, tapping out any excess. For extra assurance, you can also line the bottom with parchment paper. Carefully pour your mixed batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. This ensures your cake bakes uniformly and releases easily. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your pan in the preheated oven according to the box instructions, usually for about 30 to 35 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.